What is up, YouTube? So this video, we all have been waiting for this video. This is the day you guys all have been waiting for. As you probably see the title down below, yep, I got a new dirt bike, KX85 to be specific. I was gonna get the KX100, but I feel like it would be a little too big. This one fits me fine, perfectly. And yeah, so in the future I'll probably get the KX100, but for right now I got the KX85. Alright, I'm
the KX85. I'll show you guys what it has, the specs it has on it, what upgraded parts it has, and all that good stuff. So obviously I bought it used because, I can't afford a new one, but I can afford a used one. They're so good, Alright, so I'll just show you what the handlebars have. Alright, got Renthal waffle grips, Pro Taper, you guys see that? Yep, Pro Taper throttle, got handguards on it. I swear, handguards make a bike look completely different. It got work connections, clutch, same thing over here, Renthal grips, Renthal bars. We have front and rear sprocket and chain from them. We got that brand of rims. Pro circuit linkage. It has upgraded foot pegs too. I don't know if you guys could see the brand. It's right there. Yep. I recently just changed the cap because it broke, and yeah, I just changed that out today. I got that fixed today, and I'll tell you what I got fixed right now. I'm trying to put this back on. I'll put it on back right now. What was that? Oh, we got front and rear suspension from them. Obviously we got FMF shorty pipe. Oh, that's shorty pipe. Silencer, and I got FMF pipe. I'll show you guys this way. Can you guys see it? There you go, FMF pipe. There's, I'm probably gonna get new grips for this bad boy eventually in the future. I will. I'm probably gonna kill his Dunlop tires too, both front and rear tires. What else did it have that I've been missing? I don't know. But if you guys could let me know, I've been wanting to get a skid plate for this dirt bike KX85. I think it's a 2015. I think so. 2015 KX85. But if you guys could let me know where can I get a skid plate for a good price, and just leave the comments down below where can I get a skid plate for a good price. Thank you.